was very, very happy about that. Para bang nabunutan ako ng tinik at pangalawa, that I was actually, vindicated.
Paano niyo po na-discover yun? That back then, si Joey Uy, according to at least the decision of this division, was only a naturalized citizen, and at the time that he was born, his parents were Chinese nationals.
Well, someone called me up, but I have not talked for a long time, and told me about it. So I began to really study it and investigate, actually.
And how were you able to gather the documents or proof about Joey Uy's citizenship?
Well, I got a lawyer, and they were the ones that actually looked for the evidence, and lo and behold, talaga namang nakita na he is a naturalized citizen. Hinagap na he is actually naturalized. No, kasama namin siya when he ran for councilor, and I was the one, isa ako sa mga tumulong sa kanya para manalo siya. So nakita din namin na pag local election hindi kinakailangan na natural born, pero pag ikaw ay running for Congress, which is actually a national position, kinakailangan na po yung natural born citizen ka. The fact that na-establish naman na talagang he is naturalized, so when it comes to disqualification, talagang he is disqualified. Now, of course, hindi ko alam ang maaaring mangyari. Hopefully that the NBank would be supporting the second division on their decision. Isa rin yun sa mga tinatawag nating basis kung ba't ko nasabi yun.
Ano po yung message ninyo sa mga supporters mo? We understand that you won in the 6th District. Malapit na malapit po yung votes between you and Joey Uy.
Yeah, ako ay nagpapasalamat sa aking constituency na naniniwala pa rin sa akin. No? Of course, in that fight in the election, lumamang siya sa akin ng more than 1,000 lang. So, hindi naman ako yung bang nagkulang dyan, and I still believe that the 6th District of Manila still want me to be their congressman. So I'm very thankful to my constituency, especially those that actually supported me. Akin naman the disqualification should be according to law. Hindi naman pwede maging political issue yan, no? Whether you are Duterte or not, no? It must be based upon the law of the land, no? At siyempre, atin namang Comelec commissioners know about that, no? And they make a decision, no, on the basis of law. So, naniniwala naman ako sa kanila, and that is not actually a political issue.
Okay, and finally, Kong Benny, since we're running out of time, what can we expect from you in this 20th Congress? Are you still going to have mga Quadcom hearings?
We will continue on the fight now that perhaps I am given my third term. No, hopefully we will continue the fight, and the Quadcom will still be there.